Tired of seeing Lorem Ipsum on your Namecheap site? Here is exactly how to replace it with your own words in under a minute. That jumbled Latin placeholder text might look professional to some, but it does nothing for your visitors. By the end of this video, you will have real, meaningful content that actually speaks to your audience. We will walk through editing an existing page, or starting fresh, then swapping that dummy text for your message. So, first, let us get into the editor. Head over to your Namecheap dashboard and open up the website builder. You will see a list of your sites. Click on the one you want to edit, or if you are starting from scratch, create a new site. Once the editor loads, you are looking at a live preview of your page. Now, this is where the magic happens. Now, find the section with placeholder text. Scroll through your page until you see that familiar Lorem Ipsum block. It might be in a text section, a testimonial area, or even a services description. The freeform blocks in Namecheap come pre-filled with this dummy text to show you the layout. Click directly on that Lorem Ipsum block. When you hover over it, you will see a blue border appear around the text area. Go ahead and click right into the middle of that paragraph. This selects the entire text block and activates the text editor. A toolbar should pop up above it with options for bold, italic, links, and things like that. Now you can type anything you want. Delete that old dummy text by highlighting it with your mouse or using your keyboard shortcut, Control-A or Command-A on a Mac, to select everything. Then just hit the delete key. Now you have a blank canvas. Type your own words. Write about your services, your company story, a welcome message, anything that your visitors would find useful or enjoyable. Don't worry about making it perfect right now. You can always come back and tweak it later. Once done, click Continue. You will find this button in the top right corner of the editor. It saves your progress and takes you back to the main site builder view. And here is the really important part, from my own experience building sites in Namecheap. If you do not hit that Continue button before navigating away, you could lose your new text. So get in the habit of clicking it. Let us see how it looks live. You should now see your custom message sitting right where that Lorem Ipsum used to be. Give it a quick read to make sure everything flows naturally and there are no typos. Finally, make it public or keep editing. If you're happy with the result, hit the Publish button to push your changes live to the world. Or, if you want to keep working on other sections first, click Save Draft so you do not lose any work. You can always come back later to add more. And that is it. You have gone from generic placeholder text to your own custom content that actually engages your visitors. Try it out on a few different sections of your site and see how much more professional your pages look with your own words. Thanks for watching.